You already know what it is, nigga.
And so,
Hey, let's get it.
but if you're looking for me, I'll be on the block with my thing cocked, possibly sitting on a trap now. Because I'm a rider.
Hey,
Oh, yes, a soul survivor.
yeah.
So everybody know the game don't stop. Trying to make it to the top for your ass get popped now. If you a rider,
Yeah.
oh yes, a soul survivor.
Let's get it. Night I can't sleep, we living in hell. First they give us the work, then they throw us in jail.